I am not intimidated.
Hi friends, it's me Rose and welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey listen friends, I want to come on here real quick and show you what I've been kind of working on behind the scenes. I know the holiday's coming and everybody's working on some Easter and the bunnies, and though it's all cute and I love doing it, I wanted to take a little break. So I was at one of the craft stores here in town and I picked up this object and I thought, I had seen it around and I would pick it up and I would put it back and I'd pick it up and finally I said to myself, Rose, quit messing around, quit playing, just grab it, let's do this. So anywho, I wanted to come on here and show you what it is I picked up and how I elevated it, because of course it was plain, there was nothing on it, and I mean plain, it was just a piece of wood. So anywho, let me stop talking and let me show you what I picked up. This is what I picked up. Isn't this cute, friends? It's just a piece of wood. And it was just like this, you know, raw, nothing on it. But I thought, how cute is this little dinosaur? And I thought, you know, sometimes as crafters, friends, again, if it's easy, we'll take that route. We always want to take the easy route. But sometimes when you're challenged with a piece of craft and think, oh, I don't know. Anywho, I just said, Rose, quit playing. Let's just grab it. Let's see what you can do with it. And again, just like I tell you, I have to tell myself, listen, if you mess up, it's okay. It's just paint, let it dry, sand it down, start over. So I have to take my own advice sometimes too, friends. So anyhow, I want to show you what I did. I made this little guy. Isn't he cute? I'll bring him in close so you can see him. He turned out so cute, friends. And I thought to myself, Rose, why did you pick this guy up sooner? He turned out so cute, friends. Now, I didn't freehand him because there was already some lines in there, so I just followed those lines. I did pick out my colors and what I wanted to do with him. I did a little research on some dinosaurs to see what I wanted to do and what color I wanted to go with. And I mean, friends, there's all kinds of colors of dinosaurs: dark brown, light brown, gray. You could do this any type of color or paint, whatever you want to use. So let me go through it real quick with what I did at first, okay? And it does stand on its own, friends. So what I first did was I used some Waverly chalk paint and the color Snow White. And then after that, I let that dry. I did a couple of coats. And I did use my pouncer. I used a little pouncer, a little dauber, okay? And because that's raw wood, that wood is gonna soak up that paint. So you might have to do at least 2 coats. So I did that first. Then I went in with the colors that I wanted to use, which of course I wanted my dinosaur to be green. So I just used some apple barrel paints. Friends, use what you have on hand. My color green is called Parakeet. And then I did a light mocha for the face and the chest area, light mocha. And then to go around it, to give it some dimension, I just used apple barrel paint and the real brown. That's all I did. Friends, I just used my favorite little angle brush. And to do the eyes, of course, you know, I just followed the lines there, and I used my apple barrel black paint. And as you can see, I used some white to give it a little light, and all I used, it's called an acrylic marker. You can find this at any of your local craft stores. And when it's all said and done, again, friends, don't forget, once it's dried, to protect it with some Mod Podge or whatever you have on hand. And that's all I did. And it turned out so cute. And after it was done, I thought to myself, the next time I do a pop-up, I know a special little boy is gonna see this and just love it and say, Mommy, I've gotta have this dinosaur. Because it's so cute. And the other thing I was thinking about is, if you're having a baby shower, or maybe your son is going to be 2, 3, 4, and is so into dinosaur, how cute would this be, you know, to decorate the party with, or give it as a party favor? Or I was thinking, okay, so you're having a birthday, and I have a lot of moms always ask, I need an easy craft, something the kids could do. Pick these up, get the paints, let the kids paint their own little dinosaur so they can walk away with something and remember that birthday party with. Anywho, friends, sky's the limit with these. I hope if you see these, pick these up. And I know there's a couple of more. I think there's a set of 3. And I'm going to get ready to go out there and see if I can find the other 2 and make those. And I will be back and show you what I did. So anywho, friends, I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. And until we see each other again, don't forget to sprinkle me out. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So friends, have a great day. Bye-bye.
Rusty Rose.